today's video, I'll teach you how to delete DAZN account. First of all, launch open DAZN application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here DAZN application has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At second last, you'll be able to find the option for account settings. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the option for delete account. Simply tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure? Tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged out of your account and your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete DAZN account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.